Hey, check it out. This is our newly released bucket grapple, and I just wanted to assemble some pictures that show it on some different applications for you, just so you could see how it operates. Now, basically what it is two grapples that are hydraulically operated. You'd be able to move it up and down one at a time or both simultaneously, and has a lot of great applications. You've seen our quick spade before and our fork grapple, and now this is our newest addition. This is the bucket grapple, and you can see some applications here that I think it works phenomenal for, whether it's pick and rock or used in on a farm situation, hay, straw, manure, all those type of things. So it fits on basically any kind of a bucket, and the maximum size on it is 84 inches, so it'll fit any bucket up to 84 inches, and very easily adjusted to anything smaller. It'll just take 4 holes to be drilled in each side, as you can see there, to mount it, and then you have the ability to tighten it up, just by putting it into a different slot to go into a different size bucket. So it's easily adjusted for whatever you need. And again, it's built with the same kind of construction that you've seen on our quick spade and our fork grapple. So the tines are actually 1 inch thick, and then there's 3 inches between each tine. So the nice thing about that is that, let's just say you're out there, moving rock, you'll be able to obviously have the dirt fall out, but not your rocks. And if you combine it together with our quick spade combo, it'll work fantastic. You could go out and we've got there's a picture there where you see the quick spade combo on the front, where you could dislodge some rocks, pick them up, open up the grapple, have it just flop back in, and then close the gate. And so we think this is going to be phenomenal. We're just again, these are just some photos to show you what it'll do. It's not our professional marketing at this point, just kind of a pre-release to our customers. So check it out, and also after this video I also included some information on our standard fork grapple. So check it out, let us know how we can help. Thanks for looking.
Installation is easy and straightforward, and with up to 7,000 pounds of hydraulic pushing power, built from heavy gauge steel, there's no job too big or too small for this product. You just slide the Pomco fork grapple system onto your standard 4-inch wide skid steer forks, you hook up your hydraulic lines, and you're ready to take on any size job. You can move boulders, plant trees, remove trees, lift logs, remove tar and cement, lift hay bales, move industrial products around a construction site, and much, much more. You can pick up construction materials, place them precisely in position, or where you want them in your truck bed. This product has saved contractors up to 6 hours of work time per job and has reduced labor hours of workforce up to 70%. It's a dream come true for the logging, the landscape, construction, and the demolition industry. If you're tired of having the product roll off your forks, you need a system to complete any job, then the Palmco fork grapple system is what you need.
Any standard size skid loader forks and you are ready to dig. This quick spade unit is made in the USA. With all steel constructed material and welded with military strength welding, this unit is not only built for the home user, but this unit is built for industrial use to attack even the toughest jobs. From digging holes in the hardest ground, to moving large boulders, planting trees, or even digging out hard to get stump, this product can do it all. With the quick spade combo, you can place this unit on your skid loader forks. You can also place this amazing product on any bucket. That's right, from your skid loader bucket to your compact tractor to a front end loader. That quick spade combo fits it all and is so easy to use. You just drive up to it, you hook up the quick spade or the quick spade combo to your forks or bucket, and you're ready to dig. Why place this unit on a bucket or forks? Well, you can dig 10 times faster than any standard bucket, even in the hardest of grounds. You can dig a hole 20 by 20 by 24 inches deep in one scoop. Try digging that with a 5-foot wide bucket or a backbreaking shovel. Move even the largest boulders without hurting your bucket or your forks. You can dig those trenches that you can't dig with a standard bucket.